bladder, which leads into the urethra. Okay, so these are the components of urinary system. Pair of kidneys. Kidneys are retroperitoneal organ. Pair of ureter. Urinary bladder, which leads into the urethra. Can anybody tell me the function of urinary system? What is the function of kidneys?
Feed nitrogenous waste as urine.
And
Electrolyting water balance.
very good. So it maintains the homeostasis by conserving the electrolytes and water and some metabolite. Okay, and also it helps in, it maintains the pH of the body fluids. How it maintains the pH of the body fluid? You all know the physiology, na? How it maintains the pH of the body fluid? If the body fluid is too acidic, it removes the hydrogen ion, and if body fluid is too basic, it removes the bicarbonate ion, right? And it also removes the metabolic waste which are formed or which are produced by the cells, and these cells, these metabolic waste, these cells, these metabolic waste, they enters into the circulation, and through the arterioles they enter into the kidneys, and where they are excreted, right? And the kidneys, they produce two types of hormones, that is erythropoietin and renin hormone. Okay, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move to the histology part, microscopic structures of the kidneys. As you know, these are the retroperitoneal organs. Okay, so outermost there is a capsule which is not visible in this slide. This slide is from our department. So outermost there is a capsule, and this capsule, it has two layers. Outermost is the layer of fibroblast and collagen fiber, and innermost is the myofibroblast, right? So outermost is the capsule. Then we have the cortex part and the medulla. Are you able to appreciate, or are you able to differentiate between the cortex and the medulla? This much part is the cortex. You can see these spherical structure which are known as renal corpuscles. These are present in cortex. Okay, दिख रहा है आपको? ये spherical structures दिख रहे हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this much part is the cortex, where you will see the spherical structure known as the renal corpuscles. Okay, in between the renal corpuscles there are some tubular structures. This part is known as the medullary rays. In between this globular structure there is a medullary rays, where you will see the tubular structures. Okay, so this much part is the cortex. After that, this part is the medulla, where you will see only the tubular structures. Okay, we'll move to the slide. This slide is also from our department. Here I've labeled this cortex. This much part is the cortex. After that, this is medulla. Okay, in the cortex you can see the globular spherical structure. This is renal corpuscles. These arrows depicting the medullary rays. In between the spherical structures. This arrow is also in the medullary rays. And this is the base of the medulla, from where these medullary rays are arising. Okay. And this is the medulla. This is the medulla. Okay. Are you able to appreciate the cortex and medulla and the renal corpuscles? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. On the cortex, this cortex is formed by these renal corpuscles and some tubular structures. Renal corpuscles are what? Renal corpuscles क्या होते हैं? Can anybody please? Renal corpuscles. How the renal corpuscles are formed?
Ma'am, Bowman's capsule plus capillaries.
Sorry, and
Bowman's capsule plus glomerular capillaries.
glomerular. Okay. So renal corpuscles are formed by the Bowman's capsule and glomerular tuft. Right? Okay. So this renal corpuscles may we have this glomerular tuft which is formed by the blood capillaries, that is afferent and efferent arterioles. Okay. And Bowman capsule is a double layer cup. You can appreciate this double layer cup structure. Okay. This is a tuft. Here also you can see there is a tuft. Okay. And there is a double layer cup which is known as the Bowman capsule. There is some empty space. You can see here empty space. This space is known as urinary space. This urinary space leads into the PCT. यहाँ पे दिख रहा है this urinary space which leads into the PCT. दिख रहा है? समझ में आ रहा है? So there is
Yes,
a renal corpuscles which are formed by the glomerular tuft and a double layer cup which is known as Bowman capsule, and between this double layer lining there is a space, urinary space, which leads into the PCT. Okay, so this is a very easy slide. You can easily identify the slide by seeing this spherical structure. Besides these spherical structures, there are some tubular structures, some light stain structure, and some there are dark stain. So dark stain structures, they are PCT, and the light stain, they are DCT. So PCT takes more stain and DCT takes less stain. Okay. So जितने ये dark दिख रहे हैं, they are all are PCT, and जो light वाले हैं, they are DCT. This slide is from the internet. Okay, you can see there is a capsule. There is a capsule outside, and this whole part is the cortex. And cortex में this focused this renal corpuscles. Renal corpuscles in the center we have this glomerular tuft, which is formed by the arterioles, efferent and afferent arterioles. And this outermost, there is a Bowman capsule which is double layer. This is the parietal layer. Okay, you can, parietal layer is lined by the simple squamous epithelium. You can see the flattened nuclei here. Okay, so these are all flattened nuclei. So the parietal layer hai, it is lined by the simple squamous epithelium, and the visceral layer hai, which lines the glomerular tuft, is formed by the podocytes. Okay, so this glomerular tuft, in this there are capillaries, there is a mesangial cells and outermost podocyte cells. So it is very difficult to differentiate the nuclei of all the three. ठीक है, इसको differentiate करना थोड़ा सा difficult होता है nuclei. So this glomerular tuft It has mesangial cells, afferent and efferent arterioles, and also the podocytes, which form the visceral layer of the Bowman capsule. Okay, this space is known as the urinary space. Okay, so this is the urinary space in between the visceral and parietal layer. Okay, so this is the one renal corpuscles, and here are some tubular structure. You can appreciate this tubular structure. This dark stain structure is the PCT, and there are some light stain structure, they are DCT. How you will differentiate PCT from DCT? One is the staining. एक dark stain है, that is your PCT, light stain is your DCT, and you see the lumen. Lumen of PCT is not perfect circular because of brush border. So PCT, they are lined by the cuboidal epithelium with the brush border. So their lumen is not perfectly circular, as well as DCT, it is nearly circular. They are also lined by the cuboidal epithelium, but here lumen is almost circular. They have no brush border. Okay? समझ में आ रहा है? दिख रहा है ये? This PCT and DCT. Okay? So dark stain structure is your PCT and light stain is DCT. Another picture of cortex. This is from our department. Okay, so here is one renal corpuscles. You can see the glomerular tuft, the parietal layer of Bowman capsule. You can appreciate the parietal layer, nuclei, flattened nuclei, flattened nuclei. Okay, so this is the parietal layer, and the visceral layer, which is outside this glomerular tuft. And in between these two layers, this urinary space, here you can see the urinary space leads into the PCT. Okay, so this part where this urinary space leads into the PCT, this part is known as urinary pole. ठीक है, जहाँ पे urinary space आपका PCT में continue होता है, that part is known as the urinary pole. Okay. And another pole is your vascular pole, where you can see one arteriole here. See this structure? As you know, they are lined by the endothelial cells, flattened nuclei. So you can appreciate these flattened nuclei here. So this is one arteriole. Okay, so this might be the vascular pole. Here is the DCT, and this is one arteriole. Are you able to appreciate? ये दिख रहा है आपको स्ट्रक्चर? फ्लैटेन न्यूक्लियाई दिख रहे हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is arteriole. There's some blood vessels inside it. Sorry, RBCs inside the arteriole. So this is arteriole. So this pole is known as the vascular. This pole is the urinary pole, where the urinary space leads into the PCT. And this arteriole and DCT, this part is known as the vascular pole. Okay. There are some dark color structures. They are all PCT with brush border. They have microvilli. Okay, so this is PCT, dark colored structures, and these are all light colored structures are DCT. Okay. There is one arteriole here also, one arteriole present here. So these are all arteriole. Another slide to show the juxtaglomerular apparatus. This is from the NET, and this is from the art department. You can see the crowding of nuclei here. Okay, you can see the crowding of nuclei. Can anybody tell me what is macula densa and what is JG cells? मैक्यूला डेंसा क्या होता है? What is macular densa and what are JG cells? सुनाई दे रहा है आपको? Macular densa is the some cells of the DCT becomes columnar. You know the DCT, they are lined by the cuboidal epithelium, but there are some cells which are near to the arteriole. They are converted into columnar cells. Okay, ये जो दिख रहा है ना crowding, these are all columnar cells of the DCT. This is known as the macula densa. Okay, there are some cells here are known as the JG cells. What are JG cells? They are modified smooth muscle cells of the arteriole. ठीक है, arteriole जो होती है उसकी smooth muscle cells modify हो जाती है. They are known as the JG cells, and so this part is known as the juxtaglomerular apparatus. So this macula densa and JG cells. So this part is known as the glomerular apparatus. In this picture, though it is blurred, little bit blurred है यहाँ पे ये. So here you can see the crowding of nuclei. ठीक है, यहाँ पे दिख रहा है crowding of nuclei.
Yes, ma'am.
This crowding of nuclei might be the region of juxtaglomerular apparatus, which includes the macula densa and JG cells. Macula densa is some cells of the DCT becomes columnar, and JG cells, there are some smooth muscle cells of the arteriole modify, so they are known as the JG cells. So this crowding of nuclei.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can't see the slides.
So there is some connection problem. बेटा आपकी उसमें प्रॉब्लम होगा कुछ. बाकी सबको दिखाई दे रहा है? बाकी लोग को दिखाई दे रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
प्लीज आप बेटा अपना कनेक्शन चेक करो.
Yes, ma'am, मैं एक मिनट चेक कर रहा था.
So this crowding of nuclei is the region of juxtaglomerular apparatus. The medulla. So this part is the medulla, where you will see the collecting tubules, collecting ducts. और ये जो medullary, how the medullary rays are formed? Medullary rays में क्या क्या structures होते हैं? Medullary rays में क्या होता है? Straight tubules of, इसमें PCT होता है, DCT होता है, collecting tubules होते हैं. They all form the medullary rays. Generally we focus on this part, cortex. So cortex को आप easily identify कर सकते हो by seeing this spherical structures. Identify कर लोगे? ये slide identify कर लोगे? ये structures देख के spherical. Okay. So this is the slide of kidney. इसमें कोई doubt है? Okay, let's move to the second slide, ureter. This is from the net. I have taken from the net. Okay, ureter में we have mucosa, which includes the epithelium and lamina propria. So this much part is the mucosa. And next is your muscle layer, which includes the inner longitudinal and outer circular. But in the lower part of ureter, we have another layer outside, that is the outer longitudinal layer, muscle layer. ठीक है, इसके बाहर क्या होता है? एडवेंटिशिया होता है. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये रेट्रोपेरिटोनियल है, so there is an adventitia. So we have the mucosa, that is which includes epithelium, lamina propria, and after that we have the muscle layer, inner and outer longitudinal and middle circular in the lower part of the ureter. ठीक है, this is also a tubular structure. You can see the star-shaped lumen. You can identify this ureter by seeing this star-shaped lumen. Okay, and this epithelium. Epithelium of the ureter is transitional epithelium. ठीक है, okay. So this It is from our department. This is the slide of ureter. You can see the lumen, not perfectly star shaped, but there's a star shaped lumen. After that we have a mucosa. Lamina propria is not visible clearly, but you can see the transitional epithelium here. After that we have muscle layer. Here two muscle layer only, inner longitudinal and outer circular. How you differentiate this ureter from the GIT muscle layer? GIT में क्या पैटर्न होता है मसल लेयर का?
मैम इनर सर्कुलर आउटर लॉन्गिट्यूडनल.
हाँ, इसमें इनर लॉन्जिट्यूडनल एंड आउटर सर्कुलर. और लोअर पार्ट ऑफ यूरेटर में एक और एडिशन हो जाता है, आउटर मोस्ट लॉन्जिट्यूडनल लेयर. ठीक है. So this is the transitional epithelium, inner circular, outer longitudinal. After that we have the adventitia. Okay. As at 40x. So you can appreciate the transitional epithelium here. This is the transitional epithelium. Basal layer is of low cuboidal और columnar होती है. उसके बाद we have pear shaped cells. इसमें आप आराम से देख सकते हो. These are all pear shaped cells. These are all pear shaped cells. ठीक है, ये दिख रहा है pear shaped cells. And जो superficial है that is your dome shaped और umbrella cells. Dome shaped और umbrella cells. ठीक है. So basal is your cuboidal or either low columnar epithelium layer. After that we have pear shaped cells and then we have dome shaped or umbrella cells. ठीक है. And this epithelium is अगर relax होता है ureter then it is 5 to 6 layers thick and when stretched होता है it becomes 2 to 3 layers thick. ठीक है. This all is your circular. This is all is muscle layer, inner longitudinal and outer circular muscle layer. Now next slide is of urinary bladder. Urinary bladder में we have the mucosa which includes epithelium, lamina propria, and here we have 3 layers of smooth muscle. जो lower part of ureter है वो continue करता है with the urinary bladder जो muscle layer है. So here we have inner longitudinal, outer longitudinal and middle circular. ठीक है. बट यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे ये विलाय लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स दिख रहे हैं, बट डोंट कंफ्यूज विद द स्लाइड ऑफ GIT. ठीक है, ये विलाय लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं बट दे आर नॉट विलाय. रिलैक्स यूरिनरी ब्लैडर म्यूकोसा इज हाईली फोल्डेड. ठीक है, म्यूकोसा फोल्डेड होती है ऐसे. सो विलाय से कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, बिकॉज अगर ये ड्यूडेनम होगा तो आपको सब म्यूकोसा में क्या मिलेगा? सब म्यूकोसा में क्या मिलेगा? ग्लैंड्स, ब्रूनस ग्लैंड मिलेंगे. ठीक है. और इलियम होगा तो क्या मिलेगा?
लिम्फोइड टिश्यू,
पेयर्स पैचेस मिलेंगे. ठीक है. एंड जुजुनम होगा या एनीथिंग तो वहाँ पे आपको इतना थिक मसल लेयर नहीं मिलेगा. वहाँ पे आपको इनर सर्कुलर एंड आउटर लॉन्जिट्यूडनल मिलेगा. बट हियर वी हैव 3 मसल लेयर, इनर लॉन्जिट्यूडनल, आउटर लॉन्जिट्यूडनल एंड मिडल सर्कुलर. ठीक है. एंड ऑल्सो देयर एपिथेलियम इज सिंपल कॉलमनर. यहाँ पे एपिथेलियम कैसी है? स्ट्रेटिफाइड है ना. दिस इज ट्रांजिशनल एपिथेलियम. ओके. So though they are villi-like structures, but they are not villi. They are folded mucosal folds हैं ये. ठीक है, relaxed bladder. Here you can appreciate the transitional epithelium more better. ठीक है, ये basement membrane है जो crowding of nuclei दिख रहा है. ये आपका basal layer of epithelium है. Basal layer. After that, pear-shaped and more superficial are the umbrella shapes of it. This is all lamina propria and this is cut section of inner longitudinal muscle layer and this is circular muscle layer. High par में देखेंगे epithelium. See, this is crowding of nuclei. ठीक है. These are all basal layer, either cuboidal or low columnar. उसके बाद जो epithelium है layer, that is all pear shaped cell. दिख रहे हैं? These are all pear shaped cells. ठीक है, ये अप्रिशिएट हो रही है pear shaped cells. उसके बाद बाहर सुपरफिशियल में वी हैव अम्ब्रेला शेप्ड और डोम शेप्ड सेल्स. सो इसका बेस इधर है एंड एपेक्स लाइज बिटवीन द टू पियर शेप सेल्स. अगर आप देखोगे ट्रेस करोगे इस अम्ब्रेला शेप सेल्स को तो इसका जो एपेक्स है वो लाई करता है इन बिटवीन द टू पियर शेप सेल्स. ठीक है, दिस इज द बेस. दीज आर ऑल अम्ब्रेला शेप सेल्स. ठीक है, सो अगेन इन द रिलैक्स्ड में देयर इज 6 to 8 लेयर्स थिक एंड अगर स्ट्रेच्ड होगा ब्लैडर तो ये 3 to 4 लेयर्स थिक होगा. और इसमें जो अम्ब्रेला शेप सेल्स हैं रिलैक्स में ये थोड़ा क्यूबॉइडल और डोम शेप्ड होती है, बट अगर जब आप स्ट्रेच्ड होगा ब्लैडर तो उस केस में ये फ्लैटेंड हो जाती है. सो दिस इज द ट्रांजिशनल एपिथेलियम. पहचान लोगे, आइडेंटिफाई कर लोगे ट्रांजिशनल एपिथेलियम. बेसल लेयर, pear shaped cells and superficial most is your umbrella shaped cells और dome shaped cells. ठीक है, ये सारा पूरा लामिना प्रोप्रिया है. इसमें यहाँ पे कुछ ब्लड वेसल्स दिख रहे हैं. These are all blood vessels. ठीक है, इसके अंदर RBCs दिख रहे हैं. ओके, अगेन स्लाइड फ्रॉम आवर डिपार्टमेंट. ये फोल्डेड ये पूरा दिख रहा है. दैट इज ऑल एपिथेलियम. There are cut sections of some epithelium here. Okay, so this is transitional epithelium and this whole is the muscle layer. ठीक है, high part में you see the epithelium. ये basal layer, cuboidal or low columnar, and after that this is pear shaped cells. Okay. And after that we have this umbrella shaped cells or dome shapes. ये दिख रहा है, इसका apex is going down between the two this pear shaped cells. ठीक है, this is the base. This is umbrella shaped cells. Okay, identify कर लोगे.
Yes, ma'am.
है, डाउट है रिगार्डिंग ऑल दीज लाइंस, कुछ देखना है? जस्ट अ रिवीजन. किडनी आउटर मोस्ट वी हैव कॉर्टेक्स कैप्सूल होता है. उसके बाद वी हैव दिस कॉर्टेक्स. दिस मच पार्ट इज द कॉर्टेक्स. यू विल आइडेंटिफाई दिस कॉर्टेक्स बाय सीइंग दिस स्फेरिकल स्ट्रक्चर्स नोन एज द रीनल कॉर्पसल्स. ठीक है, इन बिटवीन द रीनल कॉर्पसल्स वी हैव दिस मेडुलरी रेज. यहाँ पे आपको ट्यूबुलर स्ट्रक्चर्स दिख रहे हैं. सो दिस इज मेडुलरी रेज. सो दिस मच पार्ट इज द कॉर्टेक्स. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव दिस मेडुला वेयर यू विल सी ओनली द tubular structures formed by the collecting tubules, collecting duct. ठीक है, इसमें this is cortex, this is renal corpuscles, this arrow is in the medullary rays. Okay, and this is the base of the medulla from where this medullary rays are arising. Okay, this is medulla only, tubular structures. So this is renal corpuscles, this urinary space which leads into the PCT. All light color stained are your DCT and dark color stained structures हैं, they are PCT. Here you can see the PCT and DCT. This is one renal corpuscles, this parietal layer, and innermost is your visceral layer. In between this there is a urinary space. Parietal layer is formed by the simple squamous epithelium. These are all flattened nuclei of simple squamous epithelium. And this is glomerular tuft which is formed by the afferent and efferent arteriole and also the mesangial cells. Okay, PCT is dark stained and the lumen is not perfectly circular, and because of brushed border they are lined by the cuboidal epithelium, and this DCT is also lined by cuboidal epithelium without the brushed border, so the lumen is nearly circular. This is your capsule here. Another picture, this urinary space which leads into the PCT. Okay, and so this is the urinary pole where the urinary space leads into the PCT, and this is your vascular pole where you can see the DCT one and one arteriole here. Okay, you can appreciate by seeing the flattened nuclei. So this is one arteriole, so this might be the vascular bone. Okay, other we have dark stain, ये जो structures हैं they are all PCT and ये light stain are your DCT. And ये जो खाली space दिख रहा है these are all artifact because during tissue preparation में कुछ tissue shrink कर जाता है, ठीक है? So these are all artifact. Here you can see the juxtaglomerular apparatus which is formed by the this macula densa, JD cells. Macula densa is nothing but they are the columnar cells of the DCT. Some cuboidal cells converted into columnar cells. And JD cells, they are modified smooth muscle cells of the arteriole. So here you can see the crowding of nuclei. So this might be the region of the juxtaglomerular apparatus. Ureter में we have mucosa, then we have muscle layer and adventitium. Mucosa में we have transitional epithelium and the lamina propria. After that we have the muscle layer, inner longitudinal, outer circular. In the lower part of ureter we have another outermost inner longitudinal layer, and then we have the adventitium, and there is a star-shaped lumen. Okay, so this is star-shaped lumen, this is transitional epithelium, muscle layer, inner longitudinal and outer circular, and this is adventitium. Epithelium is stratified epithelium. There is a one basal layer formed by the cuboidal or low columnar cells. After that we have pear-shaped cells, and then we have umbrella or dome-shaped cells. In the relaxed ureter में they are 6 to 7 or 8 layers thick होता है, but जब ये distend करता है तो it becomes 2 to 3 or 4 layers thick हो जाता है, ठीक है? So ये आपका inner longitudinal and outer circular muscle layer. Urinary bladder. Okay, these villi-like structures are these are mucosal folds हैं, ठीक है? And lined by the transitional epithelium. Then this is all lamina propria, which contains the connective tissue, blood vessels and nerves. Then this is muscle layer, inner longitudinal, outer longitudinal and middle circular muscle layer. So this is all transitional crowding of nuclei जो दिख रहा है. This is the basal layer. ठीक है, basal layer है. ये सारा lamina propria है, inner longitudinal and outer circular muscle layer. Here you can see the epithelium. This is basal layer, which is either cuboidal or low columnar, and this is all pear-shaped cells, and here is your umbrella or dome-shaped cells. So base is towards the lumen and apex is between the two pear-shaped cells. Another slide from our department. This is all transitional epithelium. There are some cut sections of the epithelium here. This is all muscle layer. There's a muscular organ, detrusor muscle. Basal layer. Then this is your pear-shaped cells, and this is all dome-shaped cells. Okay. Any query, doubt, or कुछ पूछना है आपको? Hello?
Ma'am, can we make out the medullary pyramids in the histology slides?